Never thought
about the
I
past,
would
back in the day when you
be
and I were
loving
one.
you,
Nothing in the world could cover up the sun. Looking up into the stars and wondering who we are. I'm living in the past, looking out for a glimpse of you, searching high and low and asking why and how. The best thing in my life had to go, and wow, I'm left alone with an incurable condition for the last 5 years. It's my soul
I'll
rendition.
be there whenever you call, no matter wherever you are. I am the right girl for you. Let's let love do what it do. There's a place for us to grow close, closer to our heart's devotion. Oh boy, I will be there for you.
14 years back, when I was just a kid, I knew this young girl, initials SJ, fresh in the scene, looking for a break. Took her under my wing, her heart to take. I misused the trust that had been given to me. A young man insecure and unable to see her love to me was really genuine. I guess it's just one of those things in time. Let me break it down with another kind of rhyme for you fellas out there looking for a good time. Just move to the groove, let your body do the rest. Shake it to the left and know this ain't no test. Relax, who cares? Ain't nobody talking smack. Can we all get along? Just give a bit of slack, cause life's too short to throw it all away. So get on the go on this player's holiday. I remember back in the days when I was young, in the car, cruising down Devonshire towards the double left bar. At the stoplight on Balboa Boulevard, to my right a rice rockin', revving me and pulling hard. I pop it in the first and revving back, good to go. The light turns green, pop the clutch and hammer throw. 8200 hitting red in the tube, hit the NOS and say goodbye, and I see you in my rear view. On the day that I was scorned, the way my heart was torn, I never would have thought that I could get myself to mourn for the loss of a loved one, gain of another. I see a new light and feel the love of a brother. Homies for life, we called it fool like a fool, only to discover that there's no real jewel. So what am I to do with the no-win situation at hand? I guess it's time for me to rough reminiscing about the past.
No
back in the day when
one
you
can
and I
take
were
your
one.
place.
Nothing in the world
You're
could cover up
bright
the
enough
sun.
my
Looking
life.
up into
You're
the stars
hard
and wondering who
to
we are.
follow.
I'm living in the past,
Only
looking
you
out for a
can feel
glimpse of
me.
you, searching high
My
and low
heart
and asking
belongs
why
to
and
you.
how. The best thing in
My
my
love
life had to go,
belongs to
and wow,
you.
I'm left alone
So
with an incurable condition for
it's
the last
all
5
just for
years.
you.
It's my soul rendition.
You say you really wanna be with me. Tonight our love will take flight. Oh, relax, enjoy. I want you, you want me. Let's get together and have some fun. I need you here beside me. There is no other to take your place. No, 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 no. No, 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 hey, 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 whoa, 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 whoa,
As time goes by, the more I remember the girl I let go, the girl, the pretender. She was a young little girl so insecure, wanting to find acceptance, her heart so pure. She dressed the part and acted the part, but there really wasn't nothing to set her apart. Apart, proud, so loud and proud, endowed. She ended up a girl to shroud.